foot on the brake. See your gears have come up here.
Yeah.
You're in first.
Okay.
Come off the brake, a little bit of throttle. Nice and gentle. Yeah, perfect. Watch Dom.
What's that?
That's a Charger.
He was just
Oh,
waving.
he's just waving to these the groupie.
I feel like walking on a red carpet with this guy. Come on, buddy.
It's hard. They're hard to drive. That actually.
Is that?
It's
Yeah.
horrible. It's one of those cars where.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing. It's just an old American muscle.
Right.
And also, you left-hand drive.
Okay.
Up again. Pass on the right. Yep.
Should I pass?
Yep. Up again. Up. And again. And off the bar. Light brake. Off the brake. Just roll it through.
Yeah.
Start to accelerate. Keep to the right. And off the power brake. Keep it in fourth. Out wide in. So a little bit left. Turn in now. Gently start to apply the power. Gently build it. Let it come out to the left. Start to build in 3, 2, 1, go. Up again. And brake hard. Down one.
It's roaring.
Off the brake, roll it in. Just be wary of the back end.
Okay.
Alright, nice and steady. Start to apply the power. Head towards that cone. Up again. Out, 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 left. Off the power, off the power. You ain't got the grip. Remember that.
Yeah.
Start to accelerate now. Go, go, go. Up again. Off the power. Roll it through. Don't brake. Don't brake.
Don't brake, okay.
If you brake through there, it will upset the back.
Okay.
Brake now, down to fourth. One more. There you go. Perfect. Off the brake. Start to turn in. Start to feed the power gently. Let the car come out to the left gently. Start to accelerate now. Up again. Brake. Keep it in fourth because of traction. Off the brake. Turn in nice and steady. Start to apply the power. Now gently build it, build it, build it. Go, go, go.
Not even gonna try second gear.
Up again. And again. Off the power. Now into your second lap now. Down to second.
Alright.
Keep it in third actually. And then it's gentle one here because you'll like the tyres. Start to build out wide. Keep building up to fourth. Keep building up to fourth. Keep building. Let the car come out to the left. Start to build. Watch the back. Watch the back.
Oh my goodness.
Up again. And off the power we go. Don't brake. Just roll it.
Alright.
And back on the power. This side. Brake. Off the brake. Just roll. Go, go, go. And off the power. Brake. Down one. Going in quite narrow. Off the brake. Nice and steady. In. Because the back's going to come around. See? Start to accelerate. Go, go, go. I knew it would do that.
Wow.
Go, go, go.
It's so wet.
Up again. And again. Off the power brake now. Down to fourth. So down one. Bleed off. It's going to probably do it again. So watch out. You can feel it trying. Start to build. Head towards that cone. So out wider. So out to the left. Into fourth.
Yeah.
And jet off. In. Gently. Gently. Start to accelerate now. Go.
I'm afraid.
Up again. Don't brake. Don't brake.
Brake, okay.
Don't brake. Onto the brakes now. Down one. Off the brake, roll it in, up to fourth for traction.
Okay.
Start to accelerate now. See?
No way.
Brake.
I haven't even touched it. So much power.
So much power. Start to accelerate, go.
It's not going.
It does that. Up again. Careful. I don't want to go in the barrier today. If I go in the barrier, that's my job. In here for us. Well done, mate.
Oh my goodness, man.
What do you think?
Yeah, rear wheel drives are not drivable in the UK. In this rain especially. don't even know if it would work in a dry weather. Like
It would.
It's just so much power.
If it had better rear tyres, it would.
Right.
That's
Of course, tires also matter.
Yeah, it depends what brand it has, and the brand on this on it currently isn't the most.
Yeah, isn't the best, isn't it?
No.
How are P10s? Are they like good ones?
Pirellis, they're not great.
No, they're not.
Michelin is a way to go. Pirellis, they're good, but not in. They're only
Rain.
good in dry. Michelin's a good all-rounder, even.
Oh right.
So
Better for this weather.
yeah, so let's go nice and slowly. Swing it out a little in here next to the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, straighten the wheel. Keep going forward a little. And stop. Perfect. All good.